In Igbo language, the word ogo is translated as in-law, but the meaning goes deeper than just family relationship. So, what does ogo really mean? Traditionally, ogo is not a title. It's a sign of respect, honor, and acceptance. When someone calls you ogo, it means you are now part of the family, not a stranger any longer. In Igbo culture, when a man marries a woman, he becomes connected to her entire family. So calling them ogom shows respect, friendship, and peaceful relationship between the two families. A wife, on the other hand, does not call her in-laws ogom because traditionally a wife belongs to her husband's lineage. In Igbo culture, marriage is not just between two people. It's a union between two families and their kinsmen who then see each other as ogo. That is why the word ogo carries dignity and honor. Ogo Buchonye, meaning in-law is crucial in an individual's life, often acting as a protective and uplifting force.